We want to find the whole surface area of the entire figure, but we're only given the base and the height of the prism. What our first question is going to be is, what is the area of both of the bases together, since there's two bases in the prism? So when we do this calculation, we're going to be calculating the area of both bases together. We're going to split this up into two triangles, since we have two right angles and the lengths and the heights of both. We're going to say 2 times the quantity 1/2 base 1 times height 1 plus 1/2 base 2 times height 2 for both of the triangles. We're multiplying it all by 2 so that we have the area of both bases. The 2 distributes into the brackets to get rid of the 1/2. We have base 1 is 7 centimeters and height 1 is 24 centimeters, and base 2 is 20 centimeters and height 2 is 15 centimeters. We multiply this all out to get the area of both bases together, and we're going to get an area of 168 centimeters squared plus 300 centimeters squared. So a total area of 468 centimeters squared for both of the bases of the prism. Now we can kind of draw a net, not including the second base of this prism, to show all of the different sides of the prism. We're told again that the height is 10 centimeters, so we want to keep that in mind when we're doing all of these areas. We find the area of this side in green. It's just a rectangle. Area equals length times width. We know the length is 24 centimeters, and we are told the width, which is 10 centimeters. So we're going to have a total area of 240 centimeters squared. We find the area for this side in yellow. Again, it's just a rectangle. Area equals length times width. Area equals 15 centimeters times the width of 10 centimeters. So 150 centimeters squared. We're going to find the area of this side in orange. Area equals length times width. Area equals 7 centimeters times 10 centimeters, which is going to be 70 centimeters squared. And then finally, we're going to find the area of this final side in red. The area equals length times width. Area equals 20 centimeters times 10 centimeters. So the area of this side is going to be 200 centimeters squared. To find the surface area, we're just going to add all of these up. We have both of the bases together equals 468 centimeters squared. We have 240 centimeters squared, 150 centimeters squared. We have 70 centimeters squared, and we have 200 centimeters squared. So we're going to get a total area of all of these added up together to get 1,128 centimeters squared.